Hello everybody. We will continue define some widgets today. We had some components on Figma on this project. You look there my components for this project. All components here. This page is third pages on components for Figma. Today I will define text field widgets and maybe some buttons, but just for some widgets, login pages, authentication pages. For this, I just some series a little components defines here. Maybe just this video about this text fields components widgets, and other video maybe can be defined just some buttons. And after this my plan is beginning of the code for authentication pages UI. Let's start with defining text field widget. You look there, text field values here have no any radius, just look like a custom text widget. And we have a text field with this small there normal, because of we need to have a high and width values in changeable, and other things we need to looks like with radius search bar. You look values not here, we can look there with this. Yeah, just define 20 maybe. Let's start it there. I will create it, need to text field widget for naming text fields, we can say, because we have one more text field. I will custom first widget is custom text field widget. I'm creating is this name, I think just maybe custom text field name, just text field custom, we can say widget there, and other things here. Okay, we need to context and other required here. We required check there in maybe some colors, radius in label text, and height and width. We will define there required string we say title. Other required we need to double height and width. Other things maybe not required things, look like maybe some color, and for using text field need to controller, just say just color and other things controller, just we say that. And after this here we call needs requirements for my text field inside the material need to elevation for one. This actually we say that just 20, and after this just we can say just child size box for this high and width for defining. We call there high and width, define width. Inside one more child and close there. This child text from file in new to controller. We set there, and decoration need to that for this. We call that input decoration here. Input decoration. We come there. Inside import things label text. Label text is look like a title and need to label style and have some maybe background color in for colors text fields, and maybe we can edit shadow a little, but not here. Okay, label text, other things we wanna fill it, fill color, and we have a app color we created before lessons. Import there, we need to background, and after this maybe focus mode for this focus border inside this outline border inside input border side again we need that. Yeah, now color again, app color defining background here, need to const one more focus and enabled mode for border, enabled border. Yeah, that's we need to call there. Enabled border again, it's just underline here now, underline inside the again border side and border sides again. Like yeah, color, app color, just background. We call that again const variable, and decoration I think is finish. Maybe I need to check again this text field. Looks like a finish first text field. We can call this widgets change height and width values, and same like widgets, it is different. We have some radius values here and need to one more text field widget. I don't wanna define some radius here for smart thing, not folder, just need to file. I think say about search text field there, we can call that, and search here. What is this name? Text with custom field, text fields, and search widget there, search widget again, context, and need to some again required value. We need to any required value, maybe icon, but icon is constant value. We didn't need that here, and just normal variables, maybe string, title, yips, and color, and need to subject controller, and height and width, color, title. Just last things I think need to reduce in different radius. Oops. Again, return text from files controller. I called my controller is close there. Just need to decoration inside to input decoration. I don't define their size box for just one widget. I need to change anywhere. This project has some values inside the search text field, but I can call inside the size box in my project. Before this, I'm continue now. Decoration. I need to icon for this search icon, but it's prefix in the left side. Prefix icon is a const value. Just nice change it. Make icon. Icons search. Yeah. Prefer const not here. We have a hint text in the background, title and fields false. Fill color, we can say that background or black. I can change other things, just black, say that. Border need that. Import text about outline to border, inside to border radius, in again border radius. Sorry, need to circular. We say that circular, maybe empty. Yeah, that's finish my text with widgets. I'm continue next part with some buttons defining, and after these videos, my goal is again, I say about that, need to firstly my project. For this, I will start authentication pages UI, and I will continue with real pages and connect to Supabase. Okay, see you guys.